Atenção! É agora que o bicho vai pegar!
3D. Aqui você dança pra valer.
Essa você só ouve aqui.
DJ Adson detonando.
Right now and stuff. I was gonna give her a piece of my mind and stuff. Then she tried to wear some Daisy Dukes on and stuff. Girl's too big for some Daisy Dukes on. Cause remember, Dick, Larry Roosevelt McClendon is the man and stuff. Gonna give her some of my mind and stuff, boy.
Hello?
Yo, big lady, you must be crazy. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong.
Hey, fat girl with the Daisy Dukes on, you know that you are wrong. You sure got a big, big butt. You also got a big gut. Making those Daisy Dukes scream. About to rip at the seams. You should go home and pull them off. You're gonna bust Mr. Call. Fat girl, take your big butt home. Cause you doing those daisies wrong.
Yo, big lady, you must be crazy. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. Yeah, now you really talk about her deal, Larry. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. Yeah, talk about her big nasty self. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. Wearing them Daisy Dukes, you know she's too fat for that.
Some things were not made for you, like stare up pants and Daisy Dukes. You should have left me alone and took your fat butt home. But instead you busted on the clothes. No time for me to explode. I'm gonna bust on you and your nasty Daisy Dukes. You're too big to have them on. You know you're doing them wrong. To wear daisies with some class, you gotta start right with slim fast. And looking good, you have failed. You're giving those Daisy Dukes tail. I don't have anything against big, but daisies weren't made for pigs. If you would've left me alone, I wouldn't have to sing this song. Now you'll get the picture, girl, and leave Larry alone, 'cause I don't wanna get with you.
Yo, big lady, you must be crazy. Yeah, talk about it, Larry. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. Oh, fat girl wearing a little short pants. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. Look at it, just look at it. You ain't do that to her. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. Just trying to talk to him, give some comparison.
Daisy Dukes ain't for everybody, especially if you're fat and jolly. Some things should not be unlocked, especially if I'm in the house. Yo, fat girl, what's up with that? Daisy Dukes weren't made for fat. If you're gonna wear daisies in the hood, you gotta look fine and look good. In some clothes you may look cool, but in the daisies you're like a fool. You're too fat, your body looks wrong. That's the reason I had to sing this song.
Yo, big lady, you must be crazy. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong.
Say, if you're big and stuff, don't try to squeeze in no Daisy Dukes and
don't
stuff,
do that.
cause it ain't gonna look good and stuff.
Nah.
Roseanne Barr, not today, baby. Mel Carter, and Miss Piggy, lose some weight and stuff. Oprah Winfrey, not today, honey boom. And Barbara Bush, you know you ain't gonna look good. And Madonna Dick, she's got too much hair on her legs and stuff.
So Larry, tell me something. Tell me who look good in them Daisy Dukes.
Hillary Clinton would look good
yeah,
with
Miss
some
President,
Daisy
Miss
Dukes.
President.
Kelly Bundy would look good with some Daisy
Oh,
Dukes.
my God.
In Vogue would look good with some Daisy Dukes.
Oh, no.
Jasmine Guy would look good with some Daisy
In a
Dukes.
different world.
Robin Givens would look good with some Daisy Dukes. Vanessa Williams would look good with some Daisy Dukes. TLC, Wendy Moulton, and to my main man Leroy, that sexy, sweet looking flojo, y'all.
Yo, big lady, you must be crazy. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong. That girl doing them Daisy Dukes wrong.
Cause Larry's the man.
You and me, let's have a plan party. You and me, let's have a plan party. Yes, it's time to let
like it. I like it the way you like it. Oh yes, you got it going, baby. I love it. I love it. I love it so much when you give it to me. faster, faster. Oh, oh, oh. Please don't stop, not now. Don't stop, don't stop. Can you hold it for a little longer? My turn. Let me fuck you. I can do it real well. Oh baby, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me fuck you. Oh yes, it feels just as good. Oh, oh baby, yes. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yes, yes. Oh, oh.
Mm.
wanna take you home. I wanna take you home with me. I wanna take you home. I wanna take you home with me. Stepped into the party, so live was her walk. The lace was so revealing, I knew I had to talk. Her eyes looked at me, but I couldn't do a thing. Little did I know what this night would bring. Fucking Slate convinced me, I took my stand. Walked up to the girl and gently grabbed her hand. I think she knew what was on my mind. I headed for the door, she followed closely behind. Wanna take you home.
Honey,
I wanna take you home with me.
you've got your nerves.
Can't you see? I wanna take you home.
Maybe later.
I wanna take you home with me.
Not right now.
Her desires came to life. I listened to her say how she wanted to be my wife. Looked at my watch, only 15 minutes had passed. Thought to myself, is this chick gassed? Then I told her all about me, about my strange thoughts and fantasies. Told her that my only desire was to take her home and set her body on fire. Wanna take you home.
Okay, I'll go.
Girl, I wanna take you home with me.
Do you really want me to stay?
I wanna take you home.
Take me home, boy, with you tonight.
I wanna take you home with
Take me home, boy, it'll be alright.
Shot! Take you home with me, girl. Take you home with me tonight. That's my story, that's my song. I must leave before my love is too far gone. I used to have a fine little girl, but she left me in a far away world. Wanna take you home.
Take me home, boy,
Home.
with you tonight.
Come home
Take me home, boy,
with me.
it'll be alright.
Home.
Baby, if you click your heels together 3 times,
Put my hips together 3 times.
I'll take you to my castle
In the sand.
Really?
Home. 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 Home.
can rock your world.
Come with me and let me get it, girl.
Come on, girl.
Get it, girl.
Come on, girl.
Get it, girl.
Come on, girl.
Come on, girl.
I've been looking at you for a while with your big brown ass and a pretty smile. Every guy call you sexy, but your man is weak. We can't satisfy you, baby. I'm your freak.
If you want a real man, the man is me. Come into my world, I'm your fantasy. Cause where you're going is into my world. Just straight up love me. Come in, get it, girl. Don't stop. Don't stop. Get it, girl.
When you come to me, all you do is ask, cause your fulfillment is my only task. I won't mislead you or mistreat you. I'll just kiss, hug, and squeeze you.
When you think of me, loving's on your mind. It's written in the books that I'm one of a kind. I like making love 7 days a week. Not like your man, I'm just a freak.
Yo man, did you wrong? Now it's my turn. After all this dick, I know you will learn. Cause there ain't another who can rock your world. Just open those legs and let me get it, girl. 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 Get it, girl.
jam is way out, way out. You vacancies are on your way out, way out. Too bad you're on your way out.
This is a way out jam. It's a way out girl. The ones that are constantly rocking your world with the hyped up cut and the slamming beat that makes you other girls sound oh so weak. But that's okay. We know how it is. JJ Badge the supreme in the rapping biz.
This jam is way out. You vacancies are on your way out, way out. Too bad you're on your way out.
I've got something to say.
What?
I'm kinda mad.
Oh yeah?
It's coming from the one and only JJ Fat. You may try to back, you may try to diss. That just lets us know who's running this. Yeah, we're getting stupid, and there's no doubt that this here jam is just so way out.
This jam is way out. You vacancies are on your way out, way out. Too bad you're on your way out.
Sassy. We're busting the chart every week, and we'll stay on top. And you know that we are free. We're here to please. So get on your knees and pray to be like us before you take your seats. We have a classy style that's worth your while. So sit back and relax and let us get you
This jam
right.
is way out. You vacancies are on your way out, way out. Too bad you're on your way out.
Now that you know what we're talking about, say what? Then you too can be way out. The W is for wild.
The A is amazing.
The Y is for you suckers that are perpetrating. The O is for outstanding.
And the U is for unique.
The T is for too bad your jam is so weak.
This jam is way out. You vacancies are on your way out, way out. Too bad you're on your way out. This jam is this jam is this jam is way out, way out. This jam is way out, way out. This jam is way out, way out. This jam is way out, way out.
One and only JJ Fat.
Way out, way out, way out, way out. This jam is way out, way out, way out, way out.
DJ Alisson.
O melhor DJ do Brasil.